Good morning to dear student. Today I will continue exercise 2.5 question number 5 factorize. First question, we have given this polynomial and we have to factorize it. Now we revise this formula. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So in this formula x plus y plus z whole square, these first three terms are perfect square, plus 2 into first term into second term, plus 2 into second term into third term, plus 2 into third into first term. So we have to write this polynomial in this form. First we write this polynomial in this form. So now because these first three terms are perfect square polynomial, 4x square, it is the square of 2x. 9y square, it is the square of 3y. Plus 16z square, it is the square of 4z. Plus 2 into x, that is 2x, into y, that is 3y. First we consider these three terms are positive and write in this form. First we write in this form and then we can find that which term is minus. Plus 2 into y into z, y in place of y 3y, into z, that is 4z, plus 2 into z, that is 4z, into first term, that is 2x. Now here this term is positive, 12xy, check it, 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12xy. Now this term is positive, it means the first term, second term, if both are positive then their multiplication is positive. If both are negative then multiplication is also positive. We take both are positive. Suppose both are positive, so this term is positive. Now here this term is minus, that is here this second term and third term. This term is minus means either second term is minus or third term is minus. If any one is minus then multiplication is minus, but this 3y we have taken positive, so it means the third term is minus. We are taking the third term is minus. Here we are taking third term is minus. Here also we can check, this term is minus, it means this term, that is 2 into last term into first term. We have taken first term positive, it means the third term is must be minus. So 2 into third term into first term. Square of negative is positive. Check that, 2 3s are 6 into 4, 24 yz. Here we are taking this term is minus 4z, that is this third term is minus. So here we write this polynomial in this form. So we have x plus y plus z whole square. So x, that is first term here 2x plus in place of y 3y and in place of z minus 4z whole square. That is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square are the factors of this polynomial. Second sum is homework. Now question number 6, expand the following polynomial. Here we have to expand 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now first I will explain the formula identity. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Here the sign is plus, so here all these terms are positive. Here the sign is minus, so a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. You have to remember this formula and you have to learn this formula. You have to learn by heart this formula, because if you know the formula, so you can solve the example. Now we expand this form. We expand 2x plus 1 whole cube. We use this formula 2x plus 1 whole cube. So 2x plus 1 whole cube. So according to this formula, a plus b whole cube, that is cube of first term. The cube of first term is here 2x. So 2x whole cube plus b cube. b is here 1. That is 1 cube. That is cube of first term plus cube of second term plus 3 into a. a is 2x into b. b is 1 in bracket a plus b, that is 2x plus 1. Now we simplify. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, x raised to 3 plus 1 raised to 3, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 2 ja 6 into x into 1, that is 6x in bracket 2x plus 1. So is equal to 8x cube plus 1 plus, now multiply 6x into 2x, 6 2 ja 12, x into x, x square plus 6x into 1, 6x. So we have, this is the expansion of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now suppose you have given this polynomial and if you have to factorize, so which are the factors of this polynomial? 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now I will explain you third sum, because here the coefficient of x is rational number, so I have taken this sum. 3 by 2x plus 1 raised to 3. So use the formula a plus b whole cube, that is a cube, a that is first term, 3 by 2x whole cube plus b, that is 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into a into b, a that is 3 by 2x into b, that is 1 in the bracket a plus b, that is 3 by 2x plus 1. Now simplify. 3 raised to 3, 3 raised to 3, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 upon 2 raised to 3, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, x raised to 3 plus 1 raised to 3 1 plus multiplication 3 into 3 9 into 1 9 3 3 जा 9 1 जा 9 upon 2x in bracket 3 by 2 into x plus 1 so is equal to 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus now taking multiplication 9 3 जा 27 2 2 जा 4 x into x x square plus 9 by 2 x into 1 9 by 2 x so we have 27 upon 8 8x cube plus 1 plus 24 9 3 जा 27 by 2 2 जा 4 x into x x square plus 9 by 2x into 1 9 by 2x so we have our final answer is 27 by 8x cube plus 27 by 4x square plus 9 by 2x plus 1 so therefore 3 by 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3 is equal to 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus 27 by 4x square plus 9 by 2 into x. Now we arrange in this form 27 by 8x raised to 3 plus we are taking this term 27 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2 into x plus then we write constant term. So this is our final answer. This is the expansion of 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, now our question number 7. Evaluate the following. That is, evaluate means we have to find the value by using the identity. Identity, for example, here we have to find 99 raised to 3. So we have to find this value by using the identity of either a minus b whole cube or a plus b whole cube. Now we check which formula we use. 99, so we can write 99 that is 100 minus 1 raised to 3. Now we know the formula of a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So we write a cube, a that is 100, a that is 100 raised to 3, a cube minus b that is 1 raised to 3 minus 3 into a that is 100 into b that is 1 into a minus b, that is 100 minus 1. Now we simplify 100 cube that is 10 lakhs because 100 into 100 into 100. 100 cube that is 100 into 100 into 100. So 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 0 we add after 1 that is 10 lakhs minus 1 raised to 3 1 minus 300 ja 300, 3 into 100 into 1 300 and into 100 minus 1 that is 99. Now 10 lakhs minus 1 that is 9 lakhs 99,999. 9 lakhs 99,999 minus 99 into 3 that is 297 and we add 2 0. Now if we find the subtraction, our final answer is 970299. So by this way we find the value of this. Now second, 102 raised to 3. So 102 raised to 3. 102 we write 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2, that is 102 whole raised to. So which formula we use? A plus b whole cube. That is a plus b whole cube, a raised to 3. So 100 raised to 3 plus b raised to 3, that is 2 raised to 3, plus 3 into a into b. A, that is 100, into b, that is 2, into a plus b, that is 100 plus 2. So 100 raised to 3, that is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. After 1 we add 60 plus 2 raised to 3, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6, into 3 into 100, 300 into 2, 600. 100 plus 2, that is 102. So 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs plus 8, that is 10 lakhs 8, plus 102 into 600, that is 61,200. That is, first we multiply 102 into 6 and this, add these two 0. And finally our answer is 1,61,208. 10,61,208. We write in this way, 10,61,208. Now question number 8, factorize this polynomial 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now for that we use this type of formula. We know that x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So this polynomial, which are the factors? X plus y whole cube. So we write this polynomial in this form. So why? Because see that the first term, second term are perfect cube. X cube, here this term is the cube of 2a whole cube. 2 raised to 3, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, a raised to 3, that is 2a whole raised to 3, that is 8a cube. B cube, that is b whole raised to 3, plus, write in this form, plus 3 into x. What is x? 2a, into y, that is b, into x plus y, that is x plus y, that is, here what is x? Here we are taking x is 2a and y is b. So check that, 2a whole cube, so 2 raised to 3, 8a cube plus b raised to 3. Now check this term, 3 2 ja 6ab, 6ab into 2a, 3 2 ja 6, 2 ja 12, 12a into a square b, that is 12a square b, and 3 into 2, 6 ab into b, that is 6ab square. again first again one step I will write, so you can understood easily. So 2a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus it is 3 2 ja 6 a b into 2a plus b. So 6ab into 6 2 ja 12 a into a square b plus 6 a b into b, that is 6ab square. So we write this polynomial in this form: x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 plus 3xy into x plus y. So our factors are x plus y whole cube. So x is here 2a plus y is here b whole raised to 3. Now I have taken third sum because for that we use this formula. So I have taken third sum, second homework. X minus y whole cube equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into bracket x minus. Here before this term, here we have minus sign, here also minus sign, and these both term are perfect cube. These two are also perfect cube because 27 is the cube of 3. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 minus 125 is the cube of 5. 5 5s are 25 5s are 125. 5a whole raised to 3. So both these terms are perfect cube. So we use this formula: minus 3 into x that is 3 into y that is 5a into x minus y. X is 3 minus y that is 5a. So check this term: 3 3s are 9 5s are 45 45 3s are 135 into a minus minus plus 3 3s are 9 5s are 45 into 5 225 a into a is. So we write this term, this polynomial in this form: x cube minus y cube minus 3x into x minus y. So the factors of this polynomial are x minus y whole raised to 3. So is equal to x that is 3 minus y that is 5a. 3 minus 5a, 3 minus y that is 5a whole raised to 3. Now question number 9, we have to verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So for that we use this formula: x plus y whole raised to 3 equal to, we know that x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Now we have to verify this term is equal to this. So we have to, here we have left hand side x cube plus y cube. So we take this term, this side x cube plus y cube is equal to x cube plus y cube is equal to, take this sum this side. So therefore x plus y whole cube, x plus y whole cube, taking this term left side, so it becomes minus 3xy into x plus y. Because we required x cube plus y cube, we required x cube plus y cube. So x cube plus y cube is equal to, take this term is left side, so it becomes minus x plus y whole raised to 3 minus 3x into x plus y. Now from this, here x plus y whole raised to 3, here also x plus y, so we are taking x plus y common. So in bracket x plus y whole square minus this x plus y is common. So only which term remaining? Minus 3xy. So is equal to x plus y. Now we know that x plus y whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 3xy. So is equal to x plus y, x square plus 2xy minus 3xy plus minus minus, and 3xy minus 2, that is xy. 3xy minus 2xy, xy, sign of large number, plus y square. So we have x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus y plus y square. So the desired result is verified. The desired result is verified. Now question number 10, factorize. First, 27y raised to 3 plus 125z cube. Now to factorize this, we use the formula x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square. Here plus, so the middle term is minus x into y plus y square. This formula we have verified in example question number 9. X cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So these are the factors of this polynomial. So first we write this polynomial in this form, that is 27y raised to 3 plus 125z raised to 3. 27y cube, how we write? It is the cube of 27 is the cube of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. 3y whole raised to 3. 125 is the cube of 5. 5z raised to 3. That is x cube plus y cube. So our answer is x plus y, x that is 3y plus y that is 5z in bracket x square, x that is 3y whole square minus x into y, x into y, x that is 3y into y that is 5z plus 5z square. So 3y plus 5z, 3 square 9, y square minus 3 5s are 15 yz plus 5 square 25z square. So these are the factors of this polynomial. Here in this second sum, 64m raised to 3 minus 343 n raised to 3. So for this we use the formula of x cube minus y cube. And what are the formula of x cube minus y cube? X minus y into x square. Here minus, so middle term is plus xy plus y square. Now 64 is the cube of 4. 4m raised to 3. 343 is the cube of 7. 7n raised to 3. So here x cube minus y cube. So x minus y. X is 4m minus y is 7m. In bracket x square, that is 4m square. Here minus, so we have middle term is plus x into y. 4m into 7n plus 7n whole square is equal to 4m minus 7n. 4 square 16 m square. 4 7 ja 28 m n plus 7 square 49 n square. So these are the factors of this polynomial. So these are also very important sum.